Imagine if I made a criteria for all my friends, and I said I can't be friends with you unless you're a tribal anarchist like me. Might as well do a motherfucking backflip on my neck, cause I'm not gonna have any motherfucking friends. Not to sound pretentious or nothing, but I'm a weird motherfucker. Ain't that many people that really think like me. I don't have to fucking agree with you on every little thing in order for me to be friends with you. I see friends, they hang out and all they talk is fucking politics. Niggas can't even enjoy a fucking game together. Niggas can't enjoy a fucking movie together without talking about how a scene looks sexist or a scene looks racist. Enjoy the fucking movie. Can't even go to a comedy club without saying, that's sexist, that's ableist, that's ageist. People over here deciding whether or not they like somebody based off of whether they're pro-ho or pro-ass or pro-dick or pro-choice or pro-abortion, pro-whatever. Instead of people uniting to stimulate thought and challenge each other, everybody's uniting to just have a fucking circle jerk blindly agreeing with each other on shit.